through thick and thin. I rise again with courage within. Feel the roar, it shakes the skies. An unbroken soul that never dies. No chains to hold.